Question number 4 I integration of tan power 5 theta sec power 4 theta d theta, and this is equal to integration tan power 5 theta sec square theta into sec square theta d theta, that is sec power 4 theta is equal to sec square theta into sec square theta, and this is equal to integration of tan power 5 theta, here sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta into sec square theta d theta. Now taking tan theta is equal to z, we have sec square theta into d theta is equal to dz. So this is equal to integration z to the power 5 into 1 plus z square into dz, and this is equal to integration z to the power 5 plus z to the power 7 into dz, and this is equal to z to the power 6 by 6 plus z to the power 8 by 8 plus c, that is z to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1, that is z to the power 6 by 6, and z to the power 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1, that is z to the power 8 by 8 plus c, and we have z is equal to tan theta, so this is equal to tan theta to the power 6 by 6 plus tan theta to the power 8 by 8 plus c. Question number 4 second bit, integration of cot power 4 theta into cosec power 4 theta d theta, and this is equal to integration cot power 4 theta into cosec square theta into cosec square theta d theta, that is cosec power 4 theta is equal to cosec square theta into cosec square theta, and this is equal to integration cot power 4 theta, this cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta into cosec square theta d theta. Now taking cot theta is equal to z, then this implies minus cosec square theta d theta is equal to dz, and this implies that is cosec square theta d theta is equal to minus dz. Now this is equal to integration, that is z to the power 4 into 1 plus z square into minus dz, that is cosec square theta d theta is equal to minus dz, and that is equal to minus integration of z to the power 4 1 minus z square dz, and that is equal to, sorry, this is 1 plus cot square theta, that is 1 plus z square into minus dz, and that is equal to this taking minus this z to the power 4, this is 1 plus z square dz. So this is equal to minus integration z to the power 4 plus z to the power 6 into dz, and that is equal to minus z to the power 5 by 5 plus z to the power 7 by 7 plus c, and this is equal to minus, here z is equal to cot theta, that is cot theta to the power 5 by 5 plus cot power 7 theta by 7 plus c. Question number 4 third bit, integration of sec 11 theta into tan theta d theta, and that is equal to integration sec power 10 theta into sec theta into tan theta d theta, and taking sec theta is equal to z, sec theta into tan theta into d theta is equal to dz, so that is equal to z to the power 10 into dz, and that is equal to z to the power 11 by 11 plus c, and this is equal to sec theta to the power 11 by 11 plus c.